Okay, so friends, I am Dr. Heena and today we are going to solve the problems based on reasoning and aptitude. So in the previous lecture, we learn about the different patterns which on the basis of which the questions are asked in the reasoning and aptitude session. Now we are now having the problem based on. So wait a minute, we'll just start in a short while. Okay. So our very first question in this reasoning and aptitude category is find the category of the given word so formed by the combination of letters arranged accordingly to form a meaningful word. Now see, the letters are given here U, P, R, T, N, I, something, and we have to make a one second. We have to make a meaningful word out of it. So that meaningful word we need to form so that it may be the name of a cereal or a game or an animal or a vegetable. So it has something meaning which is formed from this letter. So the word which is formed from this letter is turnip, which is the name of the vegetable, but you have to form in the exam by thinking that which vegetable can be or which animal can be hidden in these letters. Okay. Now make the different permutation combinations of the letters and you can have an idea about the meaningful word. Now correct arrangement of the following words as they occur in the dictionary. Now you all know dictionary always starts with the A alphabet series, means the words which are starting from A first, then up to the Z. Okay, so you have to arrange these words accordingly A to Z. So recite the ABCD up to Z, or you all know which will come first. Now see, we have to see the first letter of every word first. So C, C, R, B, B, what is there? Which book? There is C. In rank there is R. In the bank there is B. In the book there is B. Now the confusion is bank and book. Both the words start with the letter B. Now what is the next step? Step 1 is look at the first letter of every word. Now step 2 is look at the second letter of the word which has common first letter. Now bank and book has a common first letter, so we'll see the next letter of it. In the bank which is A and in the book there is O. Now think, A come first or O come first in the dictionary? Obviously A come first. So the first word will be bank. Bank will be the first word. Then book in the dictionary. Then cook, because after A, B, C come first, then R, and then rank. So the sequence will be 3, 4, 1, 2. Now search, where is such an option? So option B is your answer. You have to think like this only. When any question based on the dictionary will come, always see the first letter of every word. And after analyzing the first letter, if the two and letter of it, second letter of it. Now the third question is find the letter next in the given series. Now you have to think that L, U, if there is such relation in between L and U, or there is a relation in between L and M. So you have to think logically before facing the answer. So we can see that after L in the alphabet series, M comes, after M, N comes, after N, O comes. And reversely, after, or you can say before U, T comes, before T, S comes, and here the missing letter must be the letter which comes before S. Okay, so you all can recite ABCD, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, and you can have an idea which letter will come before S. So this question is for homework. Okay, you can solve it on your own because it is very easy. Now, how many meaningful words could be formed with the letters U, B, and T? Now see, we have three letters U, B, and T, and we have to find the meaningful word. So how many combinations we can make has no meaning. We have to find the meaningful word. Okay, so first meaningful word out of it I know is but. Okay, second one is tub. Now, is there any more word? UBT has some meaning? No. Okay. Then UTB also has no meaning. Okay. BUT but, TUB tub, and but I think we can form only two words which have meaning out of it. So the answer is 2. Now how you can do it by another way. Now see, I will take first U and form the word UBT, but it has no meaning. Then U will be remain at the first position, UTB. Again it has no meaning. Then I will take B, BUT. It has meaning. BTU. It has no meaning. Now T will come first. TUB tub has meaning. TBU has no meaning. So only two meaningful words are formed. So our answer is 2. How many combinations we can form? The answer is 6. Because 3 letters are given, we can form 6 combinations. But out of 6 combinations, only 2 words have meaning and rest 4 has no meaning. Okay. Then now the next question is, if O is equal to 15, OR is equal to 13, hour is equal to 54, then 4 is equal to 4. Now see, in such a type of question, you must know what should be done here. So if the number is very much bigger or something, maybe there is addition of those letters. Now see, you have to write first. What you have to write? You have to write the ABCD here. Okay. Now write down A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We can write, but I will not going to write it. Why? Because it will consume the space also, and I just need up to the R. Okay, now give the numbers to the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Now I will check what is given. O is equal to 15. Now see, O is at the position and O is equal to 15 is there. Means O is at 15th position in the alphabet series. R is at 18th position, and if we add 15 and 18, the total is 33. So here the pattern is the letters which are at the position, their position is added. Okay, you can check our also. In our OUR. So O is at 15th position, U is at STU. U is at 21st position and R is at 18th position. So if we add them together, the total will be 54. Now, if we add these letters, or we can just add F ka position in our, so that we get our answer. So what is the position of F? It is at 6th position. So add 6 plus 54, your answer is 60. Okay. So this is the pattern which is followed here. So if such a type of questions are there, you must know the position of the alphabet in the alphabet series. Now see, if ugly is coded with SEJW, then how the nice will be coded in the language. Now again you have to find a relation in between U and S. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. See, U and S, there is one letter in between them, and we are going back or backward in the alphabet series. Okay, U, T, S, G, again E, F, G. F is missing and G is there. Okay, means you are going back in the alphabet series. I will again write here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now see, you are going back. You can say U, T is left and S is taken. After G, F is left and E is taken. In L, K is left and J is taken. Now for nice, you have to go back from N. M should be left, L is taken. From I go back, H is left, G is taken. And in this way, you can find your answer. So again, this question is for homework. I know which is the answer. You also get the idea of answer because 2 letters I already told you. But try something on your own. So this one is for homework. Sorry. Okay. Now the next question is square. Square means circle. Circle means pentagon. Then which figure has no line segment? So you must know which figure has no line segment. So in the geometrical shape, circle is such a figure which has no line segment. But in the code language, what is mean by circle? Circle means pentagon. Okay. So your answer is pentagon, which has no line segment. Understood? Okay, we'll go ahead. Now see, how many letters will appear the same if we rotate the given letters by 1/2 turn? Breathing is the question and you have to rotate it 1/2 turn. So how many letters will be the same if we rotate? So this question is also for your homework. You try at home. If you are not able to solve it, we'll solve in the classroom. Okay. Half turn we have to take. Clockwise, you have to rotate these words into half turn and you have to check which letters will remain common. So you can find it. Okay. A certain rule is followed in the given figure. Find the missing number. Now again see, there is a one rule in the given figure. Now how we can think of it? First, add all the triangles. If the sum of the all 3 outer triangle is equal to middle triangle, that may be the pattern. So we'll first add them. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. No, this pattern is not there. Now 7 minus 2, 5. 5 4 ja 20. Again, this is not a pattern. Now think oppositely. 7 multiplied by 4. 7 4 ja 28. Okay. And if we divide this 28 by these 2, we get answer 40. Now we'll check if the same pattern is followed by all the triangles. 9 6 ja 54. And 54 is divided by 3. So the answer is 18. So yes, this pattern is followed. So 12 6 ja 72. And 72 is divided by 8. So answer is 9. 8 9 ja 72. So again the pattern is followed. So here you can find the answer. 10 multiplied by 9 divided by 5 is your answer. So this is also for homework. Okay. You can divide 90 by 5. Okay. Rahul starts moving from a point P towards the north. After walking some distance, he turns his right. And again after walking some distance, he turns his right. Now, his direction is definitely towards. This question is also a tricky question. So here what we are going to do first is we draw a direction bar. This is north, this is south, this is west. Array, kya gadbad hai? Again I will draw north, south, east, west. Now Rahul starts moving from point P. Suppose this is our point P. And he moved towards the north, means upward direction. After walking some distance, he turns his right. Now he is moving like this. So his right hand side is towards east. So he take a right turn. Okay. Now after walking again some distance, he again take a right turn. Okay. So he is going down. Now his direction is definitely towards downward, means south. Understood? Again I will explain. See, this is point P. He start walking from the point P towards the north, means upward direction. Now assume you are Rahul and you are facing north. So your right hand is towards the east. So he take right turn. Again you are on facing east and your right hand is towards south. So you are taking the turn again. So you are facing now the south direction, not a east direction. Okay. So your answer is south. Now find the matching pair. Find the matching pair. Now we have to find a matching pair of the given figure. Okay. Now you can see what is the similarity in between these two figures. Okay, or which is the pattern in between the figure. You just check first. Now see, y is ulta. Now here the reverse image is there. Here it is actual image. Okay, or you can say it is not a mirror image actually. Mirror image is not here and water image is also not here. Okay, y was inverse. Here it get reverse. Now the arrow is facing downward, arrow get upward, and this figure you can say is at the left side, it comes to the right side, and the shaded portion is near the heart. Okay, now L, for L, what will happen? Now see, arrow side goes to left from the right. So this L horizontal line is also facing towards the right. It will face towards the left. So the L will look like this. Okay. Now these two arrows will look like this. And this triangle, it becomes like this and shaded portion towards the L. Now search where is such a figure. We will search in the options given to us. Now see what I told you. L will face towards the left, two arrow facing upward, and shaded portion of the triangle to the L ka side. So this is your answer. Answer B. One more time we will just check. Answer B is your answer. Okay. Now this next question. Which one of the following figure is the same as given problem in the X? You can find which figure looks like the given figure. So this question is for your homework. You have to find the exactly same figure from the given option. Which one of the following parts will complete the figure? Now you can check which parts complete the figure. But we cannot. Now see, circle should be completed and it has how many lines? 3 lines. Okay. So this will not come because D option will not come because it is shaded one. C is also not come because it has 2 lines. Now A or B is your answer. Okay. Now the arrow is getting completed here. Okay. So you must need the arrow. Okay. So both the figure has upward and horizontal and vertical arrow. So A and B can be the option on the basis of arrow. But the figure, the square, if we look, it is not divided into equal triangle. In B, it is divided into equal triangle. So our answer is option A. You have to think of all points, each and every point before finalizing your decision. Now, how many triangles are there in the given figure? Now you have to count the triangles in the given figure. You can count it. So this question is also for your homework. I'm not going to count the triangles. You all can easily count it. So for homework, this question is there. Now, which of the following option is not embedded in the given figure? Now you have to check. This is there or not. You have to think carefully. Okay. There is such an option. Is there? This, this, and this. Yes, this is there. A is there. Okay. Now think of this. Yes, it is also there. B is also there. Now think of this option. I cannot find it actually. So option, but where is C? C. C is also here. You can see this portion, this one, and this one. So D is not there. So your answer is answer D. Now, which one of the following is not a next cube? Net cube means if we overlap it, it will look like a it get overlapped completely. So you have to find which option is not a net cube in the given figure. Wait a minute. Video. Now see, we have to find which of the figure is not a net cube. Means if we overlap it, it will not get overlapped completely. This kind of question is there in the this kind of question is there in the practice exercise also. So see, we can overlap this portion, this square on this, and this square on this side, and this like this. So it become a net cube. We can overlap this also, but we cannot overlap this C. So your answer is answer C. Okay. Now the next is how many letters of the word have at least one line of symmetry in the word chemistry. How many letters of the given word have at least one line of symmetry in the word chemistry? And this question is also for your homework. You can try it at home. You have to find the symmetry in the given letters. Okay. Now find the mirror image of the given figure. You can find it mirror image also. Just look at the figure and you can find how it looks in the mirror. So this circle will come near the mirror and it is pointing towards mirror. So the figure will look like this. So either option A or option C is your answer. So you can easily find which is your answer. Okay. Now the next question is mirror images of the which one of the following letter number combination will remain same actual image. Now you can here also you can assume that mirror is ahead of the letters and you can find which mirror image will look the same as in the given letter. Okay. The figure which has 8, 0 and T, W, I think D is the answer because T will remain the same in the mirror, 0 will remain the same, means O will remain same, W will also remain the same. So D is your answer mostly, but you try. Okay. Now find the odd one out in the given figure. Okay. Now the see here you have to find the odd one out. Okay. Now here in this figure, if we draw a line, okay, so it will divide this shape exactly symmetrical. means two portions are exactly same. If we divide this shape, we also get a line of symmetry which are dividing this shape into exactly two same portions. If we draw a line of symmetry here, again we get the same thing. Here, then again we get the same thing. But for option C, if we divide the figure in a vertical plane or a horizontal plane, we did not get a line of symmetry. So option C is the odd one out. And the same thing you have to do in these letters also. You have to divide this C. You will get exactly identical portions. If we divide this H vertically, we get exactly identical. E exactly identical. If we divide R, we didn't get exactly identical shape. If we divide Y, then means only R has no line of symmetry. Rest of the letters have line of symmetry. So you can find how many letters have the line of symmetry here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters have line of symmetry. Okay. So this is all about the reasoning and aptitude session. The more you solve, more you get the idea. So all the best for the practice exercise and all. You can do the practice at home and you can find the solution. Okay. So till then, we'll meet in the next class. Goodbye. Subscribe to our channel also.